Hi, Brooke. Brittany here with Vibrant Rose Digital Solutions. I just wanted to say thank you for reaching out to my Facebook post. I just wanted to make you a quick educational video to be able to help you boost your online presence and your business overall. I don't want to take up too much of your time, so let's just go ahead and get started. And as I was saying before, I absolutely love your website, and I definitely love some of the swag. I definitely want to get those dogs over bro shirts. Those were super cute. But the things I want to go over today with you are going to be content, backlinks, and citations. So content is going to be made up of anything that's on your front page here. Any wording that you use, any photos that you use, how those photos are saved, and what's behind those photos all make up your content. Now, Google likes to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words on a home page. Within that content, you want to add keywords that are going to be what you want your business to be found for. So a keyword is anything that someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. In your content, you can place these keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. That way you can start to rank for different things that people are searching for, which is something that will be a big help. So I was able to type your website into a tool that we use called Ahrefs. This is how we're able to see the analytics of your website. So the first thing I want to go over today with you is going to be your trust and your strength with Google. So this is always on a scale of 100. Your trust right now is at 15. Your strength is at 1.8. So the idea is we want to be able to boost this up and try to keep them as balanced as possible. Now, the next thing I want to go over is backlinks. So you have 60 backlinks from 30 referring domains. Now, a backlink is anywhere you're going to find one website linking to another website. So these links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google then uses to build trust in your business by seeing that others are vouching for you. Now, not all of these backlinks are the same. Some of these backlinks are more spammy and some are more authoritative. So you really want to go after the links that are more authoritative and that will bring that power to your website. And I'll be able to show you in comparison to another website in here in just a few moments. Now, another thing I was going over with you today was keywords. You have 97 keywords that you are ranking for at the moment, which is only bringing 4 traffic to your website. So let's check out your keywords here. These are going to be the keywords that you are ranking for. This is the search volume, and then this is the position on Google that you have with them. So the idea is to be able to go through and find more buyer intent keywords that will be able to push more business to your website. So I pulled up your information on Google. It looks like you're definitely the only one that's going to be in your area as far as fresh baked dog treats are. But I think we want to expand more online, which is going to be being able to go into other areas and getting you boosted up on Google as well. So usually the first thing that pops up would be ads here. And then the next thing is the map pack. So you're definitely on the map pack in your area. Now, what's most important about a map pack is this is where 30 to 40% of traffic comes from and goes straight to your website or gives you a phone call. Now, when it comes to this, you want to make sure you have your Google business profile filled out as much as possible. This will help with increasing your rankings on Google. So you want to make sure you have a ton of reviews and then making sure you have that profile filled out. There's an About Us section with 750 words. You want to make sure you utilize all 750 words, and then you also want to place buyer intent keywords throughout that as well. And you want to be very responsive to your messages and your reviews. And make sure you keep posting weekly branded posts and geolocated photos, and that's all going to help with your online relevance. Now, another important thing is going to be citations. So this is where your business name, address, and phone number are in things like Yellow Pages, Yelp, and hundreds of others. And by going out there and giving your information to as many people as possible, it's going to increase the relevance of your business and help with your website as well. And then also that's going to help with coming up on what we call the organic section. So when people come down to this, you're going to be on the front pages of different areas and be able to help bring more traffic to your website as well. So as I said, I did some research on a competitor in New Hampshire that also has a dog bakery here. And I pulled their information into that tool I use, Ahrefs. So with them, I pushed the wrong one. They have more strength and more trust here with Google. So like I said, that's something we want to be able to help you get boosted as well. They have over 2,000 backlinks from 388 referring domains. So the idea is we want to be able to utilize the same type of backlinks that they have, but the goal is to then get at least 100 more than any competitors in your area. Now, they also are ranking for over 6,000 keywords, which is bringing over 3,000 traffic to their website. So if we go ahead and take a look at the keywords, these are the keywords that they've got going on. So the idea is we are going to want to find similar keywords that you want to rank for as well. So that way we're able to see what will work best for your website and be able to start driving more people to your website as well. So once again, thank you, Brooke. I wanted to say I appreciate you letting me make this quick video for you. If you have any other questions or want some more information on what we're able to do to help boost your online presence, I would definitely love to set up a phone appointment with you. And we can just chat about your business and what is needed to be able to start boosting your online presence. Thank you again. I really appreciate your time. I look forward to speaking to you soon. Thanks, Brooke. Bye.